Okay guys, I have a 2013 Hyundai Acera. The trunk is not open. I use this it's not working, the trunk. It's not here, the switch is not open. So I check the fuse. There's a fuse with 10 amperes. This is the fuse. So this fuse is good. This fuse is not a problem. So I put it back. The switch is not working, and the remote. So there's a switch, but the main switch in the passenger side. Just open here. There's a main switch. You see that is a main switch. Just push this main switch. And close. And now let's try to open the trunk. Okay. The trunk is open. And try the remote. Now it's open now. So the problem here is the main switch. There's a main switch. That's a main switch in the passenger side. So that's it. That's a Hyundai Acera. So let's try again. So it's working now.